Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the blue rainbow friend from Rainbow Friends. So please feel free to leave a like, maybe leave a comment, and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any of our Daily Doodles. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing with a circle. So I'm going to do a circle up here. It's going to be the start of one of the eyes. Inside that, I'm going to do another circle. Now I'm going to give a bit of space and I'm going to do another circle. I'm going to try to make it around the same size as this one here. But it's okay if they're not quite the same size. Now I'm going to do an X, and a little circle at each point of the X, like that. Next, we're going to do the shape of the head. So it's another circle. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, let's do a little bit of a smile. Okay. Then I'm going to come on down this way for a bit of an open mouth. And we're going to start to do the same on this side, but let's give a little bit of room because we're going to do a little bit of drool. So you can see I kind of came up there a little bit, and now we're going to come on down and just kind of do a little wavy line like that. All right, so now I'm going to continue with this circle here. And next thing I'm going to do, let's do the crown. So let's come on up and swoop down and come on up again. And same thing. I'm going to do that again and come on down. All right. So next, let's do a little bit of a shoulder here and an arm. And I'm going to have a hand here, but it's a bit of it's like a ball of a fist. And then bring that line up. And now we can do the same over here. And a big, kind of a ball of a fist here too. And bring that arm up. And now we can do a line on both sides here. We can start doing the body. And right here, we can start with some legs. So I ran out of room here, but I would do, well, you know, let's do it. Do a little curve here, come on up. And over and down and up again. So I thought I was gonna run out of room here on my page. It came pretty close, but we fit them all there. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to add some color. All right, so we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.